Once upon a scorching desert in Egypt, where the sun painted the sand gold, there lived a pharaoh named Khufu. He had a wild idea to build a gigantic tomb that would touch the sky and make people remember him forever. Gathering his clever architects, he shared his dream. They scratched their heads wondering how to stack massive rocks so high. But then, a young builder named Kemet burst in with a bright idea that sparkled like the stars. Kemet, excitedly, "What if we make a sloping path, like the Milky Way in the night sky, to carry the rocks up?" Architects, surprised. That just might work. And so, they started crafting a huge, winding path called a ramp. It stretched toward the clouds, like a cosmic ladder reaching for the stars. Every day, the workers pushed and pulled, like heroes in a storybook, moving huge stones up the ramp. They copied the twinkling stars' dance, raising the rocks with hope in their eyes. Years turned into many, and the pyramid grew, brick by brick, stone by stone. People from all around came to watch in amazement as the enormous sandcastle took shape. Finally, the day came when the very last stone was put in place at the tip of the pyramid. The desert wind seemed to cheer. "Hooray, Pharaoh Khufu, proudly, look what we've built, a tomb that touches the heavens." As the sun set behind the pyramid, it cast long shadows, like a magical spell. The pyramid seemed to whisper stories of dreams coming true. Today we look at the Great Pyramids and wonder at the tales they hold. They're not just big sandcastles, they're reminders of the time when people dared to dream sky high. They remind us that with a little imagination and a lot of teamwork, even the biggest dreams